Hi YouTube, this is Dragon93. I'm bringing you another little bow today. It's the Untitled Mantis. It's a nice little handheld crossbow. Let's do a little shooting with it. See how it performs. This bow has a safety right here. You have to make sure to push this all the way forward to release the safety. So I'll load a small bolt in it. Push the safety all the way in. And let's give it a fire. Okay, my aim's a little off. Try that again. This bow also shoots 6mm balls. I already have some in the chamber, so you load them right here. To shoot a ball, simple as cocking it back. Got a little pin right here. Pull that back, and it'll drop a ball down into the chamber. If you look closely, you should be able to see the ball. Push in the safety, and fire. Untitled Mantis. Nice little bow. Check them out.